everyone, welcome to the world of smart investments. As you already know from my past videos, at the beginning of December 2019, we bought shares of Joyy Corporation. In this video, I will share with you some of my thoughts on this investment. Watch this video to the end. It will be very interesting moments. For those who don't know me yet, my name is Liubomyr Iavorskyi. I am general partner, investor of AQuanti Capital Partners. China has been a tough market to invest in over the past 2 years. The slowdown in the domestic economy, the trade war, the ongoing unrest in Hong Kong, and recent coronavirus outbreak. All these things scare away investors from Chinese companies. But that persistent pessimism is a good opportunity to buy excellent business at cheap price. Joyy Corporation became one of such opportunity.
When I see such an opportunity, first of all, I ask myself the questions. What is the essence of the business that the company conducts? What kind of consumer needs does the company satisfy with its product or service? What is the demand for their products or services? How big is the market for these products or service? Thus, answering these questions, we analyze in detail all components of the company's business model. Regarding Joyy Corporation, it's an entertainment industry. The company is engaged in creating and sharing entertainment content and activities via social media platforms. Joyy enables users to interact with each other in real time through online, live media, and offers users an immersive entertainment experience. Joyy is a conglomerate of social media platforms. It owns a majority stake in Joyy, the largest video game streaming platform in China, with 5.3 million paying users. In March 2019, Joyy fully acquired Singapore-based startup Bigo, which added the live streaming app Bigo Live, the messaging app IMO, and short-form video app Likee to its core services. This is truly global platform with more than 470 million MAUs. MAUs, it means monthly active users, which represented in more than 150 countries. On this slide, you can see the amount of monthly active users in each of the subsidiaries as of the end of the third quarter of 2019. Joyy generates most of its revenue from YY Live service, but its other revenue, which comes from Joyy service, its mobile game social network Hago, and Bigo apps, is quickly climbing. According to the analytic company The Sensor Tower, in 2018, Hago ranks second in the world in the number of downloads from Google Play and Apple Store. And according to the same analytics, in the third quarter of 2019, Likee app was number 5 with 80 million installs. Wake Up owns advanced algorithm to attract and remain new users. This slide shows how it works. Typical day and typical users. BigOY was acquired for $325 million in 2018. It's the number one entertainment live streaming platform in the world. Key features are localized content and local community, highly interactive atmosphere. These distinctive features of Bigo in combination with Joyy app create excellent synergy and sustainable business model. The best confirmation of this is figures presented here according to the results of the second quarter of 2019. Look at this. Users base contributed 50% conversion rate to Joyy app. Focus on short-form video globally gives users stickiness reached 90 million monthly active users. That is a plus 431.2% growth to second quarter 2018. High level of conversion ratio created live streaming revenue 165.8 million. On this slide, you can see the key operational and financial indicators of Bigo services. For the third quarter of 2019, Bigo Live revenue equals 198.5 million. Average monthly active users 21.9 million. It's equal plus 9.7% compared with third quarter 2018. 26% of revenue from developed market. Short-form video services from Joyy and IMO totally reached 150.4 million monthly active users. It was plus 670.4% compared with the third quarter 2018. IMO is a robust instant messaging ecosystem with enriched content. Such options: two-way video call, group video call, short-form video, live streaming, moments, group chat, and mini-games. High stickiness to short-form video is more than 50% of IMO users. Average monthly active users in IMO equals 212 million. Average daily usage times 400 million. Hago is a leading casual game-oriented social platform, the number one in the world based on amount monthly active users, which grew plus 94.4% in third quarter 2019 compared with third quarter 2018. It shows fast expanding popularity. Average daily time spent 60 times. Joyy Live is indisputable leader in Chinese entertainment live streaming industry. The number one based on mobile monthly active users, average daily time spent, and paying users. Joyy Live created a vibrant ecosystem. What values are generated? Provide users with tailored content and highly interactive features that encourage virtual tipping with no ceiling. Empower performers towards self-realization and unlock social value. nurture profitable and replicable business model backed by capabilities of cultivating talents. Joyy is the number one game live streaming community in China based on average mobile monthly active users, average daily time spent. Over 90% of all users are game players, and main content is a premium in sports. At the end of third quarter 2019, Joyy had 146.1 million monthly active users. Remind you that Joyy Incorporated hold more than 50% of voting power in Joyy at the end of 2019. After the detailed analysis of the business model, the next group of questions is the most important. The main question that we ask ourselves at the stage of the analysis is whether the company has a sustainable long-term competitive advantage. Such question and the answer to the item are extremely important for making a final investment decision. After all, the industry and the niche in which Joyy conducts business are quite fragmented and highly competitive. The next question is whether the company is protected from competitors. Here we go deeper into details. Joyy created and owns a self-enforced ecosystem with high barrier to entry. At the current time, Joyy number one is based on monthly active users and rate of monthly active users growth, high conversion ratio from active users to paying users, high level of engagement and stickiness of users. From my point of view, Joyy Corporation has a sustainable competitive advantage in the form of a network effect, generated synergy and its own AI algorithms that increase users' engagement and retention. Joyy Corporation has a visionary management team with proven track record of successful innovation. David Xulin Lee, the one of co-founders, is chairman and CEO. He owns 22.31% of outstanding shares. It's very important. The second largest shareholders with 8.2% is Jun Lei, followed by Morgan Stanley Investment Banking and Brokerage Investments with an ownership of 4.7%. Here you can see brief conclusions from the first part of our analysis. The most important things are the Joyy Corporation has a working, proven business model, a sustainable competitive advantage, and is managed by an excellent team of managers. But for now, this is only our assumption. Therefore, we must find confirmation of our idea in financial indicators.
I will do it in the second part of this video. Watch it on our YouTube channel and social media. Every day, we try create a real value to you. I hope this video will be valuable for you. At present time, share this video to your friends. Write comment below this video and see you next video.